Now, so India is so vast country that it stands seventh in the world. Only few 6 countries are larger than the India. And how can we learn it? Just remember RCUCBAI. Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia, and of course India. Only these 6 countries, Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia and India. So better learn it serially. RCUCBAI. Its area is 3.28 million square kilometers and it covers 2.4% of the world's territory. Now one work should be given to you. Just you have to find out from the atlas the state through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. You have to start from the west to east. You will see using atlas, because to understand the geography it is very much necessary that you have to keep the atlas open with you. So it would be like as a homework for you that you have to tell it to me that states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. Now few things that you can find it out. The state, you have to see the new atlas. The state, Indian state, which does not share the boundary with any country or water bodies. There are few states, not all the states, few states are there which do not share the boundary. By seeing the map, we find that Pakistan and Afghanistan share the boundary in the northwest part, while China, Nepal, Bhutan shares a boundary in the north, and Bangladesh and Myanmar shares the boundary in the east. In south there is no any country that share the boundary with India, but Sri Lanka is our nearest neighborhood. Maldives is another island group which is our neighbors. India also has the island groups Lakshadweep, and here we can find Andaman and Nicobar Island. If we see the water boundary of India and total boundary, land boundary, it is a very big one. Now you people have to find out the questions by going through the books, NCERT books, and try to find out all the possible questions from it. You should also practice the state and capital. It is very much needed because in class 9 as well as in class 10 it is very important to know the exact location of state and capitals. There's a holidays, you have got the time, ample time. Even after getting the online educations, you must have been getting the times, so you have to use these times for finding out the state. Indian state, 28 states are there, their capitals, location of the state and their capital. If you are able to understand and locate the state correctly, then your geography of class 9 as well as class 10 would be very easy. Now if you are finding any problem, you let me know, we will discuss again, and the rest part of these chapters we will continue in the next class.